Does anyone else have a rich friend that doesn't realize how rich they are? Because I know a person like this, and I went to his house one time, which was already super nice. But when I got there, he was giving me a tour of the place, and eventually we made it to the backyard. But in the backyard, there was a separate house. So I was like, dang, you guys even have a guest house? But then he was like, huh? No, we don't. So then I went, well, whose house is that? And I pointed to it. But you know what his response was? Oh, you're talking about the doghouse. The what? Then he goes, yeah, that's where the dog spends a lot of his time. Brother, that dog has a bigger house than my family of 5. And then he has the audacity to say, well, don't you have a dog house for your dog? Yeah, we do have a dog house. Not a full estate. So of course, I did the only logical thing you could do in this situation, and I asked if I could be their new pet. Like, I'll bark and play fetch all you want if you let me chill in the house. That dog better be paying